Hi there guys, I am coming back at you with another quick little video, and I got something in from, as you can see, Dipped in Pretty. And her packaging is so gorgeous, you just I almost hate to open it. It's just so cute. But let's go ahead and get into it. I did a small order from her, and I got some Louis Vuitton stickers, nail stickers, and they are so cute. And then I got some more Louis Vuitton stickers. And these are cute too. Let me see. I think I got them. Do I have them? Yeah, I do. I have them upside down. But there they go. These are in so many different colors. Cute. And I want to show you this. I ordered this from Amazon, and it was on Nail by Nikki's channel, and I got this, and it's huge. You can see, I mean, I know it's bigger on the camera, but it is really big. It's really a nice size. And I also got this in from Nail Light. I ordered me another gallon of the Isopropyl Alcohol, 99%, as you can see. So I've got another one in. Okay, I ordered this also from Nail Light, and it's the 16-ounce plastic acetone bottle. And no, it did not come with the acetone in it. I put the acetone in it, but it comes an empty bottle. Okay, now this, I think I got these from Amazon. These are some foils, and they are water drop foils. I'm not going to go individually, but as you can see, they are very beautiful. I can't wait to try those. Okay, I did get in some more brushes. I got in this brush right here, and you can see, and I got it from Amazon, and I'll show you. And it is so beautiful. So now I can actually toss that. This is a nice brush, and I hope it works. It's a 8, the number 8. As you can see, I'll put it up here for you to see. A number 8 Kalinsky. And I'm not going to take that loose either. I got these in. Let's see. And these are gel brushes. These are gel brushes. These came in a set. That looks like that. Nice. This one looks like this. And I think these are so cute. And then I got this one. And this one came from Amazon also. And it is a gel brush. It's an angled gel brush. And I cannot wait to use these. I also got this one, guys. And this is a acrylic. It's supposed to be an acrylic. And this is all this came from Amazon. Okay. Now, I got these in. These little pixies. 4 of these came. I have not used them yet. I'm thinking about using them on my next video. I'm not sure with my nails. But I got those in. These in. I use these. I saw a video with these, and I mean, these are such nice scissors. I got these on Amazon. They came in a set, and they're just beautiful. They're like antique looking. but they cut nails really well. Okay, now I had this, you know, I did a video on this, and I didn't like it because it had this writing on here and across here. So I really didn't like it, you know. So what I decided to do was I went on Amazon to look up some more, and I found this. And I understand it's got the little Chinese symbols on it, but you don't have to necessarily use that part. But these, they look, to me, they look more real and authentic. As you can see, it has the $1 bills. It has the $2 bill. That's different. It has the $5 bills. It also comes with the 10s, the 20s, the 50s, and as you saw in the beginning, it comes with the hundreds. So I said also, I may want to try to do a money nail or something like that. I'll see what I want to do next, but I don't know. You guys let me know if you think you want me to, the giveaway that I'm going to do. If you think that you could possibly use this and do anything with it, let me know, and I will put this, because it's never been used. None of these have ever been used. I just put the rubber band around them, but I have not used any of these. I've had them all this time. I don't even remember what video they're in, but I did a haul with this, and it's been a while. Last year, I think. I know it was last year, way back. It's probably over a year ago I did the haul on this. So if you think that you might want to get this in a giveaway, let me know, and I'll put this in a giveaway. And I also, now this I got from Dollar Tree. I got these 3 brushes, and I'm going to tell you what I use, and I like these. This right here. Now, I ordered this. And to be honest with you, I have not. I know that the bristles are a little scattered, but I have not used this either to clean any brushes with. I've just had it in the drawer all this time. If anyone wants to get one of these for in the giveaway, let me know. These are to clean. I use these to clean my drill bits. And you can tell I use this one. I've been using this one, but these 2 I have not used. But I use these to clean my drill bits with. These right here, I can possibly put this in as a giveaway. If you want to, just let me know. If you think, just say yes. Add the things to the giveaway. That's all you have to say. Add the things to the giveaway. And when I get 2,000 subscribers, that's when I will have the giveaway. Next, I ordered some of these buffing blocks. I've always wanted some like this. Okay, one item that I did forget to show you was this, and I have not looked at it. It's been in this box for the whole week that I've had it, and it's from Beetles. And we will get to look at it together a little bit. Let's see some of them anyway, y'all. We got to look at something. Wouldn't be right for me not to show something. Oh, that is a pretty. What's that, like a, is that like a lavender color? That's pretty. Oh, look at that green, you guys. That is so nice. Oh, like a peachy orange or apricot. More like an apricot color. Now this is like a true neon orange, like a very bright orange. Oh, look at there, pink. Wow, beautiful. That is amazing. That's nice. Wow. That's cheap. Mmm. Oh, beautiful red. Wow. I'm gonna go back through these and look, because it looks like I've got a couple of colors that look similar. Oh, now I like that. I really do like that. This is a stand that I got in from Red Iguana. I got the small stand in for the hand that I got, and that's why you see the black slab, the marble slab in the video, because I had to put it back up in order to stick the suction to it. Inside the box, I also ordered the long hand holder. I ordered both because they had been out of stock for so long. So when they finally got back in stock, I ordered one of each. I have always wanted me. Y'all know I am a nail drill fanatic. Ain't no use in me trying to hide it or deny it. I'm a nail drill fanatic. And I think I just collect nail drills. But I ordered this. It's by Excel. I ordered it from the Nail Superstore company. And this is nothing in the box. I've taken it out and put it together. But I ordered that from that company. I ordered the foot pedal. I ordered this from eBay. This one right here. But as you can see, this one right here is in the box. And I'm going to tell you why. Because this came in before the motor and the foot pedal came in. And so I sat it to the side and waited for the other parts to come in, and they came in. So then I went to hook this up to the motor, and lo and behold, it did not fit the motor. It did not fit at all. I tried it different ways. It just would not fit. So what I had to, and I was really disappointed. And I was afraid to go back and reorder another one. I knew I wasn't going to order that one again. But I called myself trying to save some money. But this is what I had to end up ordering. I ordered this one. Now this is the way it looks on the box, but it's not that color. It's a gold color. And I ordered this one. And I had to wait for this one to come in so that I could, and I prayed that it would work with that machine. I said, oh, I hope it's not the motor that's messing up or the motor that's not right, because then I would have ordered this one and then I would have had to go and order another motor. So I would have been in a mess. But lo and behold, it did work. Now I'm going to show it to you. Okay, here it is. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I did order, you have to order the pole separately. I ordered the piece, and it clamps, let me show you, it clamps on to the desk. And here is the hand piece that I was just saying, and it works perfectly to where, now can you see the foot pedal? I also ordered a squeegee, y'all, so you can see it. But that's the foot pedal, and believe me, y'all, the foot pedal is huge. It is huge. And so that is everything. And right, guys, I just wanted to show you those things, and I'll talk to you in my next video. As you can see, everything's right here. Alrighty. See you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.